Question number 9. The slant height and the base diameter of a conical thumb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Slant height. L is equal to 25 meter and diameter, that is equal to 14 meter. Radius is equal to half of diameter, that is 14 upon 2, which implies radius R is equal to 7 meter. Curved surface area of cone equal to pi RL equal to 22 upon 7 into radius is 7, slant height is 25, which implies curved surface area of cone equal to 25 into 22, 055, 550 meter square. So cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square is equal to 210 upon 100 multiplied by curved surface area of cone, that is 550. 0 is cancelled, 0 is cancelled, and that is equal to 21 multiplied by 55, and 55 multiplied by 21 equal to 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 5 5 1 1, that is equal to rupees 1155. Answer. Slant height equal to 25 meter and diameter is 14 meter. So radius is half of diameter, that is 14 divided by 2 equal to 7 meter. Curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 and slant height L is equal to 25. 7 this is cancelled and curved surface area of cone equal to 25 into 22, that is equal to 550 meter square. The cost of whitewashing at the rate of 210 per 100 meter square, that is equal to 210 upon 100 multiplied by curved surface area of cone, that is 550. 0 is cancelled and 0 is also cancelled, so we get 21 multiplied by 55, that is equal to 1155 rupees. Answer. Question number 10. A conical tent is 10 meter high and radius of its base is 24 meter. Find the slant height of the tent. Second Cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Height. Height of cone equal to 10 meter. Height of cone equal to 10 meter and radius that is equal to 24 meter. So L square is equal to slant height is L. L square is equal to R square plus H square. L is slant height, which implies L is equal to under root of R square plus H square. Slant height L that is equal to 24 raised to power 2 plus height is 10 raised to power 2. L is equal to under root of 24 into 24 that is equal to 576 plus 10 into 10 that is equal to 100. So slant height L is equal to 576 plus 100, 676, which implies slant height L is equal to 26 raised to power 2. 26 are 26 into 26 that is equal to 676. 26 square is 676. So root square is cancelled and slant height is equal to 26 meter. Slant height of the tent. First part, slant height equal to 26 meter. Answer. And the cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square equal to rupees 70. Curved surface area of cone equal to pi r l. That is equal to pi is 22 upon 7 and radius equal to 24. Slant height we get 26. Into 24 that is equal to 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. That is 4, 2 and 6. 6 to 4 multiply by 22. 8 4 12. 8 4 12. 8 4 plus 8 equal to 12. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 2 plus 1 3 1. That is equal to curved surface area of cone equal to 132728 divided by 7 meter square. Cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter. Cost of 1 meter canvas is cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Required cost of canvas equal to 13728 upon 7 multiplied by 70, which implies 137,280 rupees answer. Height of cone is 10 meter and radius is 24 meter. Slant height L square is equal to R square plus H square, which implies L equal to root R square plus H square. Radius is 24 square plus height is 10 square. 24 square equal to 576 plus 10 square is 100. 576 plus 100, that is equal to 676. Root 676, that is equal to 26 square. Root square is cancelled and we get slant height equal to 26 meter answer. And second part, cost of canvas. Curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius is 24 and slant height is 26. 26 into 24, that is equal to 624, and 624 multiplied by 22, we get 13,728 divided by 7 meter square. It's curved surface area of cone. And we have given the cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So required cost of canvas is 13,728 upon 7 multiplied by 70. 10 sevens are 70 and 13,728 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 137,280 rupees answer. Thank you.